Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will learn about combination and permutation. So let's start with the definition. What is the difference between them? As per definition, a combination is a grouping of outcomes in which the order does not matter. This is very important for your MCQs as well. In combination, order does not matter. Just remember that. In permutation, is an arrangement of outcomes in which the order does matter. So let's understand this in detail with the formula. The number of combinations of n things chosen r at a time is found using NCR. We also write this n and then c and then r like this is equals to n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Now, what is factorial? So when we talk about factorial, so if we write n factorial, so for example, 4 factorial, yeah. So if you have 4 factorial, it's equals to 3. So you write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is your 4 factorial. So when we write 10 factorial, we will do that 10 multiply by 9 multiply by. So you just multiply and keep continuing multiply until once. Okay, until 1. This is factorial. Now let's understand with example. So example for combination. So you have a question. How many pairs can be made from a group of 6 people? So the question says how many pairs can be made? So number of pairs from a group of 6 people. And you have you have to use combination. So when we are talking about the combination, Jin and Tom are same pair as a Tom and Jin. Okay. So in that you have 6C2. So if anyone asks you to use the combination and create that, so you will put that into formula 6 factorial because it's asking about 6. So 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial because we have how many pairs we are talking about? We have 2 pairs. So 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. So the answer is 15. So you can have 15 pairs. Now let's see this with the permutation. In permutation, the formula is the number of permutations of n things chosen r at a time is found using NPR. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. If you see the difference between this one and this one, the only difference is this. So in permutation, you have r factorial at the bottom as well. You have to divide that as well. 6 people are in a contest. How many ways can first and second place be awarded? So this is a question. 6 people are in a contest and how many ways first and second? So that's 2. Jin first and Tom second is different than Tom first and Jin second. So like we said earlier, in permutation, order does matter. So in this, order does matter. Whereas in combination, order does not matter. Whether you put Jin first or Tom first or Tom first or Jin first. So when we put that into a formula, 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial, the answer is 30. So you can have 30 pairs you can create in terms of the question, how many ways. So 30 ways you can use that you can put first and second place to be awarded for 6 people. So if you have 6 people, 30 ways can be possible. Now, if you see permutation numbers will be always greater. So permutation is always, so if I write this permutation is greater than combination. That will be easy to explain. So you always have permutation higher compared to the combination. I don't have any other question, but what I'll do in future tutorial, we will try to find more examples and we will try to solve those examples to explain in detail.